Hello everybody, so today we are gonna look at another one when a user get permission to restore or backup uh, the image of the system, then they can also elevate the privilege. So we are looking at the window privilege escalation. So let's get started with. So we need to start command for that. So let's do cmd, right? And we need to run as an administrator. So let's run as an administrator. Then we have a password of CO copy master. Then we have 555. And we could do yes. Once we are inside the admin command prompt, then let's see who am I. Then let's check privilege. What can I use with this user? So I can set a backup as well as restore. I can do session shutdown privilege and so on. So important portion is we can restore it, as well as we can do backup. That's the main thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna save the registry as well as the SAM file. So for Linux, it's like etc password and SAT file, but in Windows, it's system and SAM. So we can do register, save, HKLM, then we can do system, right? System, then uh, it's on user. Let me type it again, user, then we can do tsm backup, then system high. We save it as system high, system SIVE, right? I think I have already saved it because let me just open you and show you the file cmd, and I could just do dir because I did it earlier. So I have that file, right? System hive as well as sam hive. We should save it like that. So we could do register save HKLM system. I think my spelling is incorrect. Or what? We user no, it won't override. So we can make a share folder. So let's go on a Linux machine, right? And let's say mk mkdir, then we can do save, right? File exists. So you can do rf and we can do save. That should remove the file. Then once we have done that, we can do mkdir, then we can do share file. So once we have done that, then let's use SMB to transfer the file. So Python 3.9. So we have that. Okay, we have that. So let's open from opt, then impact, then example, then smb server.py, right? Then we can do smb to support, then we can do user name, then thm back up. I think that's the correct spelling, right? thm backup as username, and we had that password as copy master 555. Then we can do publicly, and we can say this folder as we can say that folder. Let's do enter. Now smb has been started. Then what we want to do is to go on our rdp section. So where is that? So let's put it right here. So our system is here, and what we want to do is to transfer the file. For that, we can do, hold on a sec. Instead of typing like that, right? So let me just make this a little down. Then we can do cmd. So I could open as a normal because we have the file right here, system.hive, as well as the sam.hive file. So we can do copy, then system hive first. Let's send system hive. So we have the IP address was 10.10.116.5. So we have that on publicly shared file. So it will look at that is gonna be the share folder. Let's do enter. It should receive the file. Yes, it did receive it. And let's do that again. Then copy, then copy, copy, then sam.hive, right? Then we have the IP address 10.10.116.5. Then it's on public folder, public, and let's do enter. Let's copy that file too, and we can do add a new tab, right? Open a new tab, then let's go inside this here, and let's do allow for that, and we have the file over here. Now what we want to do is, now we have got the hashes, sam as well as system both file, right? So let's do pass the hash attack, and for that let's use this Python. Open this, make it a large screen, right? So we can do Python 3.9, right? 3.9. So why won't it autocomplete? Let's see. Okay, it does autocomplete. So no reason. So let's do opt, then impact. So it's on example, right? And then it's on secret dom.py. Then we have sam file. What we have is sam.hive, and we have the system.hive. Then we have locale. Let's do enter. Let's wait for it. So we got our hashes, right, for the admin. Now we can do the pass the hash attack. So let's get started with this. So we can do Python 3.9, right? And then it's on opt, then it's on impact, then examples, then process exe the py hashes. So let's paste our hash. Then we have admi, an administrator as a user. Then it's gonna be on, let's check our IP address is 10.10.6.8.110, right? Let's do enter. Now we got our system, and we can do who am I? So we are the authority. That means we are admin. Thank you guys.